Pentecostal Network Pennet Program clear to te lalpai swaming in Zibai Ule, Tungkar Chunga Northeast India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar clear in Lunglei thang u. June ni kwa pathian ni Pentecostal hi India marcha kwam chunga Pentecost Kohhran ho te chuan ursun tak hmang turin rahman na ansiama Aizawl khopui chunga local tamjok chuan roinen an hmang dona so chiar thingpui le changne na hmang tur engemozat anom bok he hun Baparah Revioval Program buatsaihin zirtop jana tanga hun hmangchan local engemozat an oma Inrinni alom thu soi choi moina buatsaihin local chanem tak anom bok General Superintendent Reverend Mizoram District chuan Pentecost Day hmang tura in buatsaihin India marchak Pentecost Kohhran hote Biak In tharau thianglim ompuina le Mizoram na hnuai hlim taka he hun lom om tak hmang chau turin du sakna a hlan ani General try to the program ngai thak chun zomila Northeast India UPC General Treasurer Reverend Zoming Thanzam ete chungkwa chuan anloina Mizoram District Headquarters Kohhran June niriat Inrinni khan pathian hne na lom thu soi choi moina an buatsaihin Pentecost Day lomna ne na pathian ni zan thlenga chunjom turin program an siam he choi moina program a hian General Superintendent Reverend Mizoram District le Reverend R Laro sanga te speaker atan an roi General Secretary Reverend R Larin Sanga chuan June nili atangani rukchung khan Barak District chunga bel to pastor te pawla seminara resource person atangin rawngbawlna neih General Missions Director Reverend R Lalhoya chuan June ninga nilaini khan Aizawl chhuasanin Arunachal Field Aloha Field Board nein hun amanga rahman dan chuan June ni som pahni nilaini hian Aizawl panin aletang General Sunday School Director Reverend R Chimtuipui chuan ITI Kohhranin Pentecost Day ahmanna Inrinni zana tanga pathian ni zan thlenga program a buatsaih speaker a tangin rawngbawlna neih Aizawl City PYD Co-Ordination Committee chuan me ni somthum ninga zan khan Aizawl East District Committee room a meeting an neih meeting hi City PYD Co-Ordination Committee Chairman Evangelist Kela rotwangana kaishwaya an rorel tlangpuite Social Work Day mandan tur chungchang ngai to in Sarkar Hospital remchang tur biaka thisen pek ni se ti ani July ni somni atangani somni pakhat chung hian revival meet Mizoram District Headquarters Kohhran Biak In ni se thati ani a speaker atan Aizawl East District PYD President Reverend R Hnahlan Kimale Mizoram District PYD President Evangelist F Lunglei omateruat ani a hemipol budget atan cheng sing thum da ani Civil Hospital ko the hoarding board siam that ni se ti ani he meeting a hian General PYD Secretary Evangelist MS Lunglei na chuan atelpui ani District Shangshang rawngbawlna ngai thlak chunzomila Mizoram District hnuaia pathian thuzirna Pentecostal School of Ministry PSM chuan kumsang ni sompokwa session 2 June ni thum thorchan ni khan registration day mangin bulchan ani registration day man inkhom hi headquarters Kohhran Biak In tuikhwa tlanga nein inkhom PSM principal Reverend Laltwangana kaishwaya zirtir tu tele registration day man inkhom chimtu te hmelchia tirna nein registration day hi district AED shwai tu te baka Mizoram District Office staff ten havin unaw nularin moi mau bok chu zai rawngbawlna nei turin som ani bok District Secretary Reverend Chimtuipui and PSM zirlai te hming chiar chhuana anei baka PSM zirhun chunga zirlai te hria turpoimo puanna nein third year zirlai tem practical training an nei dan turle practical sermon an nei ne tur Kohhran te puan ani bok District Treasurer Reverend Kela du sangan PSM zirhun chunga zirlai te anmamo angaman tur sum chungchang rahman ani dan atarlam baka Chairman som angin District AED In Unanu UPC la romoi Bible woman District AED President dingin thu soina aneya PC la romoi hian zirlai te an zirlai zirna konga District AED In du sakna hlanin Bible in zirtirna ane anga na thatin reng thoktura confirm kim theinan thu taka le tharawa kan khattura ni atia PC la romoi hian District AED te na PSM zirna an nei theinana sponsorship an lo pek thin cheng singa chu hlan turin unaw nulal dongliani District AED Secretary Somin anin thil pekhi PSM Treasurer Reverend Kela du sangan hena ahlan ani Reverend Silal Manpuyan Thusoina Aneya Ani Hena Chang Hian District in Bible Zirna Bul Achana Changa Akal Zel Dante Soin Zirlai Te Chuan An Zirna Ngai Lua Az Omna Vongnung Tu Ni Zel Turle Rongbawlna Konga Mi Changkai Takni Tura Fuin Du Sakna Ahlan Inkom Chung Hian Zai Rongbawl Tura Som Unaw Nularin Moi Mau Bok Chuan Chumni Fakla Moile Thiam Takin Asabok District Missions Director Reverend Silal Thantuang Chuan Lom Thu Asoya District Treasurer Reverend Kela Dusangan Malsom Chongchai Na In He Inkom Hi Achin Ani North Mizoram District PYD Board rorel bawhzuiin June Nithum Le Nilichung North Mizoram District Khawbung Bial Somthuma Bial IO Chalaiten Usher Training an neih Usher Training hi North Mizoram District Headquarters Biak In tui khwatlanga nein Hunser Income District PYD President Evangelist F Lunglei Oman Akai Shwaya District Superintendent Reverend Laltuangale Reverend Kelal Dusanga District Treasurer Ten Hovin District Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga Hian He Income Hnahlan hawnna nein PYD te thlenchin atanga mason du na riru an nei awanga alom thu asoibok Training hi June Nithum tho chan ni chun le zan baka June nili tho le ni chun le zan thleng nei ni in F lerem rat puya Lunglei farm veng chuan zirtina PowerPoint presentation manga nein PYD 10 an hlok pui hle ani Ushering zirtir 2F lerem rat puya chuan Usher na chu pathian Rongbawlna ro pui tak ani awangin achanvo le amo phurna hi asang hle ani ati North Mizoram District PYD buatsaihin Usher Training a hian Bial Somthuma Changin Bial IO mi somnga pariat antel theya kalkhom thalaiten an hlok pui hle ani Training hi June nili thole zana zawin District Secretary Reverend Thiarpuyan Chongchain hun top aman pui ani June ni pathian ni khan Rengdil Bial chung om Sihthiang Kohhran Biak In thar North Mizoram District Superintendent Reverend Laltuangan pathian hena hlanin ahong Sihthiang Biak In hon in khoma hian Bial chung mi pui thanem tak ankal khoma Bial chung baka Lunglei Zolpui Siphir le Bairabi atangte po in he Biak In hon na program hi anron man pui bok ani Biak In hon in khom hi Bial to Pastor Silal Thlenglianan Kaishwain Sihthiang khwa Rongbawlna to Evangelist Lelchetiang an technical report apea Evangelist F Lelchwangliana Bial Secretary in Sihthiang Kohhran din huntlang pui a report baka Bial mingin lom thu asoibok Reverend Laltuanga District Superintendent Chuan Thusoina Aneya District atang le Bial le mimal chanhem takin Sihthiang Kohhran te hi du sakna thilpek an hlan Sihthiang Kohhran Biak In saklung phum hi Bial to Pastor Silal Thlenglianan phumin adung fit somthum parukle awang fit som pariata sak ani a Rengdil Pentecostal Men Fellowship PMF 10 Work Camp in ansa a niriat chung ansa ani Biak In pumnana tha sen zongzong belkhom hi thaza somnga pariat ani District atangin Biak In saktan puina chengnoi khatle singa dongin Rengdil Bial Lunglei Kohhran Rengdil Bial AED Rengdil Kohhran AED Sialsuk Kohhran Chamring Kohhran Sihthiang Kohhran atangin sum mubel ani a unaw pa rem khak lianan pulpit mai cham lectern chair aron donata unaw pa lanun fela zolnuam video in electric wiring na atumpia lama Rengdil Kohhran ten Biak In dar an peboka Biak In sakna na sum sen zongjong hi chengnoi ni sing ni sangli zakwa somnga paruk ani Sihthiang Kohhran hian member za somni an oma kumsang ni som pasari April ni somni pakwa khan Sihthiang Kohhran hidin ani unaw pa LC enga Evangelist H Lanun Moya Evangelist Sila Ratsanga ten Rongbawlna an lo nei to a tuna hian Evangelist Lelchetiang an Rongbawlna anei mek ani Biak In honnia hian mithar pakwa senglu ani a mi pathumin swalngai damna baptisma an changhala naw pakhat hlan ngal ani bok tlaya Biak In tharlom na roi che ngal ani North Mizoram District Maubok Bial AED te chuan June ninga nilai ni khan General Headquarters Committee Room Walpui Salem veng Aizawl seminar an buatsaihin Seminar a hian thiang hlimna ti thupuya hmangin Resource Person atan Bial AED Secretary unaw UPC Vanal Zoni an hmanga soiho na hlok thak tak mangin member kalten an hlok pui hle North Mizoram District PYD chuan June ninga nilai ni khan HIV AIDS awareness campaign an neih he hun hi North Mizoram District PYD President Evangelist F Lunglei ama chuan kai shwaya Reverend C Lian Chama Headquarters Bial to Pastor in hun ser mangin sam number za somni pasari na chang thuma changa thua chiara nule paten an fate be se na sang takne na an thlir thin thule HIV AIDS awanga be se tlak lo fa ni a lo om thu soin chalai te film khur turin acha HIV AIDS awareness campaign a hian resource person atan M6 divisional assistant pu pilal tan moya man ni in resource person hena tang hian HIV AIDS khovela alolan chwa dan le kanrama alo thlen dan te le tuna kan din hun mek te chiang taka soin India rama AIDS ve tam na ber state kan ni mek awanga hemi veng tura ka ocean thalai ten mo phurna kan nei dan te le HIV AIDS chungchanga sha tur poimo tak tak te PowerPoint presentation mangin zirtirna ani Lunglei District UPC in Thakhat o Pathian thu zirna ane Pentecostal Bible School PBS chu kuminatan kalchan le anita a junili thole nikhan registration day man ani registration day hi UPC conference hall a man ni in Reverend C Vanal and a principal PBS chuan ka shwaya Reverend PC Lalfak Oma secretary PBS chuan in Melsia tirna nein PBS din Pastor K Vanal shwaya chuan thu soina aneya PBS zirtir tu Reverend Silarin tuanga ka ishwaina in student shwai tu thanna nei chunjom ani a District Missions Director Reverend R Vanal enga chuan tongtaina in registration day manna hi akhar ani kumin hian PBS a hian zirlai somni pali first year second year le third year a test zirlai pariat thau an oma kumin hian subject pasari an zirang hengte hi kumina an subject zirtur le zirtir tu turte anni Bible Geography Reverend C Vanal Ena Bible Survey Reverend PC Lalfak Oma Missions and Evangelism Reverend PC Lalfak Oma Christian Living Reverend C Larin Tuanga Pentateuch Reverend C Larin Tuanga Life of Christ Pastor K Vanal Shwaya Acts Pastor K Vanal Shwaya Pentecostal Bible School PBS hian July ni sari Pathiani headquarters Biak In graduation day an mangang June ni kwa Pathiani hi Pentecost day ani angin local changchang ten heni hi ursun takin alom dan tur an rahmana hetiang hi district shwai tu te hun man dan tur ani ang Superintendent Reverend C Vanal Ena chuan bungtlang lokala Pentecost day hi amanganga June ni som tho jan ni a bungtlang Biak In sakna tur lungphum aphum nga lang Secretary Reverend PC Lalfak Oma chuan thairiat lokala Pentecost day hi speaker ni in amangang Lunglei District PYD Conference in HIV AIDS Awareness Campaign ne initiate a rorel bawhzuiin June ni sari zirtom ni khan venglai UPC Biakin Oneness Training ne ani a he Hnahlan Bial in member pani theu ankal khoma resource person atan pu arlal chanpuya District Project Officer Northeast Technical Support Unit M6 man ani Lunglei District PYD Education Committee chuan June niriat Inrinni khan District UPC Conference Hall a kaushan chunga pol somle sompani pastor te lompuina le an Pauline Career Guidance an buatsaiah heta hian pastor te lompuina momento an hlan bok June ni Pathiani khan Lunglei District Missions Director Reverend R Vanal enga chuan putlunga se mission felda mithar pakhat kaushana asenglut June ni thum tho chan ni khan Lunglei District Board veza som ko parugna in pastoratana alak thar Evangelist Lal Aizawl le Evangelist Kelan Nunpuya te chuan District Superintendent hena joining report an pe Joining report petute hi District Superintendent Reverend C Vanal Ena baka District Secretary Reverend C PC Lalfak Omale Treasurer Reverend C Larin Tuanga te chuan lo dong songin an kal le zel na turata na thupoimo tak tak shilin tongtrai sakna an lo nei ani Pastor Kela Nunpui hi June ni kwa Pathiani District Treasurer Reverend C Larin Tuanga chuan cherhlun Biak In lomlu na aneyanga Pastoral Aizawl hi June ni som paruk Pathiani District Secretary Reverend PC Lalfak Oma chuan bunghun Biak In lomlu na anei bokang Lunglei District Board veza som ko parugna in Bial to pastor a transfer te chuan June ni khat atang khan an Bial thar tura cheu mo phurna an la chana hetiang hian anom na tur Bial an thengang Reverend Kelal chuan sang a chi phir Bial to pastor chuan a om na tur theiriat Bial June ni som pahnia a thengang Pastor LH Lalchan Damachuan Khawbung Bial Changin Omna Tur Hnahlan Bial Jun ni som pani hian a thlengang Pastoral Engza Vachuan a Omna Tur Khawbung Bial chu Jun ni som pania a thlengang Pastor Kelan Puya chuan Jun ni saria a Omna Tur a thlengang Lunglei District atanga Delhi Chaplain na kumni chung omtur Pastor Jerry Lalmon omapo Lunglei District chuan Jun ni khat khan a release Delhi Chaplain na omtur hi Jun ni sompanga General Superintendent nena joining report ape ang Khawbung Bial Conference in rorel angin Jun ni khat Inrinni zan khan Chimtuipui local financial campaign nei ani a Jun ni pathian nia zodin local campaign hi nei chunjom le ni in zan lama Khawbung local campaign hi khar ani a speaker atam Bial to Pastor R Lalrim Siama an roi Jun ni pathian ni mangkhan bolpui H local church leadership ti thupui mangin seminar nei ani a resource person atam Bial to Pastor H Lalomsang man ani Jun ni sari zirtop jana changkhan mol cheng sau local te chuan Jun ni kwa Pentecostal lo thengtur Biakin crusade and buatsaihin speaker atan chengpui home missionary evangelist Simon Amar chu mangin Jun ni riat Inrinni pathian choi moina roi an buatsaihin bok Jun ni sari zirtop jana changve khanjau tlang local te chuan crusade and buatsaihin speaker atan Lunglei bel to Pastor Reverend Lalbiak dikacho te chuan manga Jun ni riat Inrinni pathian choi moina roi an buatsaihin bok Chimtuipui District in Thakhat o Pathian thu zirna akalpui Apostolic Bible School chuan mai ni somthum pakhat zirtom ni khan registration day mangin kumsang ni som pakwa session an tan le ta he huni principal Reverend Thanchunga sailo chuan kaishwain Reverend Joseph L Khawthang registrar hena changin zirlai ta sha turle ABS rules and regulation ngai thakani a Reverend WL Thangshele Reverend Kholi Li chaten hena changin fuina thucha ngai thak ani Jun ni thum tho chan nia chang khan class culture ngalani a zirtir tu tele an subject lak turte Reverend Dr. C.C. Mo missions le acts of apostle Reverend Kholi Licha Bible survey Rongbol tu mangai zama Pentateuch le Christian living Rongbol tu Elias lalming mwana life of Christ Rongbol tu Jonah le shintuanga Bible geography Jun ni nga ni lai ni khan district committee room new sia ha district PYD special board meeting nei ani district board thurel tlangpuite Lunglei West district anin dan ta ka wangin kumsang ni sompukwa district PYD budget en non ani a siam rem ngal ni in cheng noi ni singthum sangli le zathum pomtlan ani District PYD Conference voice somli pathum na thupuyatan lalpa du zong FSC bunga chang sompasari chupman ani ang Conference ahian international evangelist Reverend Elvis Boya USA to base ni in district Kohhran puikal tlangin som ani ang short term missionary roi chunjom zel tur ni in athor durle field ero district missions board kuta da ani conference chungin Bible study nei tur ani conference thlengtu in buatsaihin na Biakin district chung local tinten fe chuanei ni se fe chuana atanga sumting khom de chu October tharal ma in Bial kaltangin district PYD a thelu tur ani district hian conference thlengtu hena a hlan vele ang district PYD evangelism tour nei tur ni in he huna hiam built in try to tele district PYD board member de chu grupa in thenin rawngbawlna an neyang General PYD in flag size le shape thar arwa manawangle PYD logo siam that ani ta ka wangin district chunga local le Bial tinte flag siam that ni se June tharal ma in district secretary hena in report tur ani June ninga ni lai ni khan Chimtuipui missions board district committee room ne ani a he board hi district missions director thar Reverend Dr. C.C. Mo kai shwaina hwaya ne ani Anthure langsar zwalte district missions conference ni otlanga nei tura speaker nei ni se pangkhwa missionary atan evangelist H.C. Mingtin thanga lakni in ni som tharuk sang ni som pakwa tho channia joining report pe se ti ani district missions director quarter chu atrul anga thom thatni se Evangelist Robert B. Lanunciamati Amobi Mission Field Thoklai chu Riasika Mission Field Kopturati ani ta ka wangin approval pek ani a missionary loman pa ngai alak ba ka thatin cheng sang khat pek bel ni se thati ani General Executive rorel na in ma ni district khwam chunga thoktu te chu concern district in athorzuenga ati chu thati tlanani a heian pastor missionary le evangelist teacher te ahwam vekang district PYD thorlai munwa mission field evangelist silal mangai chu tuntam thung hi chu Chimtuipui district missions department kaltanga thorzui ani ang Sihthiang Bial chunga district home mission field riasika Biak In chu June ni Pathian ni khan district superintendent reverend thanchunga sailo chuan pathian ne na hlanin ahong Biak In hon program hi June ni khat Inrinni zana tangin chan ani a Bial to pastor reverend kholi hli chale Bial secretary upa H ramhluneten in khoman ka shwai china district shwai tu den hena tangin pathian thu cha ngai thak chin ani bok June ni khat Inrinni district secretary reverend Joseph L thang chuan pathian thu cha asoya June ni pathian ni khan district superintendent reverend thanchunga sailo chuan Biak In thar chu pathian ne na hlanin ahonga Biak In aloi tur kaushan ho zongjong te du sakna le mal somna chibaya buka pathian thu cha asoi ani Sihthiang Bial chunga department chwai tu pastor J Chon Thanga missions director district PYD president evangelist T Vanal Chanale Sihthiang Bial AED president Unawnu H Vanal Thangi Bible woman ten thu toy an soibok Biak In thar lom no pol han tlailama roi buatsahin lim takin an kil hau ani Biak In hi adung fit som thum paruk le awang fit som pariata zawani a Sihthiang Bial kaushan te chuan Biak In sa hian tumni work camp nein an riak lut ani Pathian ni zanlama district treasurer reverend WL Thangshe chuan pathian thu cha asoi thung riasika hi district evangelist thutpun ni in evangelist N Thangnunan hunrei tak athutchil nu in tuna hian evangelist Robert B Lanunsiamati chuan he mun hi en kolmek ani Junioriat Inrinni zana tanghian Chimtuipui district missions director reverend Dr CC Mochuan riasika a hian rawngbawlna aneya hemuna hian Pentecostal amangal don ani Pastor Vila Limpuya chuan June nili thole ni atangkhan Bial thar ni Hnahlan Bial chu wongtanin sectional pastor mo phurna ala ni Hnahlan Bial hian local panga omin kholi atwa mekani Gospel Crusade team speaker evangelist Keller Chanmoya chuan tunaya local din tharna sangau Bethel Koshana crusade ane evangelist Keller Chanmoya hi arongbolpui mi som velten zuin juninga atangani ku chung hian rongbolna nei tura ro manna siamin hemhuna hian Pentecostal ahmangang Chimtuipui district Tuipang local ladies auxiliary department chuan meni somthum pakhata changa juni ni chung khan an local AED kumsom ngana golden jubilee anlom jubilee lomna puiber hi juni ni pathian ni khan nei ni in road big 10 jubilee daran wa a jubilee pola lungphun district AED president T Lalyan Moi Bible woman in hongin Bial to pastor Robin MH Lalthan Moyan thu soi rawngbawlna ani Revival Pastor Sila Chuan Thangale District Evangelist N Thangtu na te chuan June ni khata tangani ni chung khan sangau biala rawngbawlna anne District Revival Pastor le Evangelist hian sangau 1 le sangau 2 a kalin an rawngbawlna kaushan hauten an hlutle ani June ni kwa pathian ni hi Pentecostal ane angin Aizawl East District chunga twal chung kaushan changchang te chuan ursun takinan mangdona twal chung kaushan charge board committee chuan program shan pasiamin hun an manglom don ani rantala kaushan huapa roi buatsaih tum engi mozat omin local chen khat chuan thingpui le chang so chiar siamin he ni hi man an tum thung district kaushan pui shwai tu te chuan hetiang hian an mangang Reverend Rosang Colony District Superintendent chuan Nilaizan Khan Mall pui kausana rawngbawlna nein pathiani chumha hian Salem kausana rawngbawlna aneyanga zana ITI kausana rawngbawlna anei le ang Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary chuan Pentecostal hi district headquarters kausana mangin pathiani chumha inkhoma thu soi rawngbawlna aneyang Reverend Vanal Filaramtiam District Treasurer chuan Pentecostal hi Bethlehem kausana amang don ani June ni khat Inrinni khan Khawbung Bial headquarters Biak In sakthar chu Reverend Rosang Colony District Superintendent chuan UPC North East India Biak In pakhat ni turin pathian hne na hlanin ahong Biak In pona hun bulchanin Reverend Rosang Colony chuan UPC North East India Biak In pakhat ni turin pathian hne na hlanin ahonga Biak In chunga Bial to Pastor HP Ramphangzawa kai shwain in khom nei chunzomani a heta hian Khawbung Kausian Secretary Upa H Lalmal Soma chuan report apek baka Khawbung khotlang NGO shwai tu de baka mishang shang ten he na tengin thu soi toi ngai thak ani a Reverend Rosang call ni he na tengin pathian thu cha ngai thak ani bok Khawbung Biak In tharlom na atan hian tlai alim takin roi kil ho ani Khawbung Kausian Biak In hi kumsang khazakwa somkwa pali khan lo theila vakal ni in chu Biak In kal reng to chu kumsang ni som pasari February thla khan Kausian mi puiten an lo alu le theinan Reverend Rosang Colony District Superintendent chuan hongin Biak In hi chei that loving Kausian mi puite chuan an lo ata a district lama chiale sak chat phalna mu ani nu a kumsang ni som pasari June thla khan chia na thokin October sang ni som pasari khan Biak In thar sakna turatan Reverend Rosang Colony bokhian nung phum phumin Biak In thar sakna hi November sang ni som pasari khan bulchan ani a hun enge mu chen sak ani nuwa November sang ni som pariat khan sak zo ani Khawbung Biak In saknan hian mi malmai baka district Kausian puile department chang ten tan puina an pe a Reverend R Pahlira te chung kwa chuan an fadu unaw nu Arlel mudiki sha rengnan achung le abang an tumba ka unaw nu beti H lomsang pui chuan apa Reverend H Vankung a sha rengnan pulpit le maizam atuma Bazar Bial Mission Departmental Work Camp in an pui bok he Biak In hi cheng noi sari chuang senga sakni in tha zanga chuang an senga ni Biak In hi adung fit somli pangale awang fit somni palia liana sak ani Khawbung Biak In tharlom na hi Inrinni zan atanga pathiani zan thengkhan man ni in Inrinni zan khan pastor Lalmal Soma chuan thu cha soin pathiani choma Reverend VL nem tuanga le pathiani zana Reverend H Vanel chhanaten thu soi rawngbawlna an neih ani Aizawl East District Superintendent Reverend Rosang Colony chuan me ni somthum ninga Zingkar Khan Chimtuipui Bial Headquarters Karot Biak In sak thatna turlung phum aphum he huna hian Karot Church Board member te baka Bethel Bial to pastor te telin Reverend Rosang Colony chuan Biak In twang taka sak ani theinan pathian hena a hlan ngal ani Biak In hi adung fit som rukle awang fit som thum parukaliana sak turin tuna hian a rorel rahman fel to ani a Chimtuipui Bial Headquarters Kausiana hian tuna hian member zahni chuanga nom mek ani Reverend Rosang Colony hian Chimtuipui Bethel Biala Kausian ding thar Chimtuipui zote Biak In sakna tur tu me ni somthum ninga ni chumadar som pakhat khan lungphum aphum he huna hian Chimtuipui Bethel le Chimtuipui Biala tangin member enge muzat telin Biak In sak tur chu pathian hena Reverend Rosang Colony hian a hlan ngal ani Biak In sakna hi tan chho mek zel ni in Biak In muntur hi cheng noi nga in lei ani June ni thum thochan ni khan district committee room Aizawl East district 10 short term course pathian thu zirna ane Oneness Theological Seminary a kumsang ni som pakwa session alu turte polin registration day an hmang he hun hi evangelist Chimtuipui Theological Education Board Secretary chuan kai shwain zirtir tu te hne na tringin fuina thu thatak tak ngai thakani a OTS a zirlai te hian June ni li thole ni atang khan class hi an tan ngal ani kum ina hian zirlai pasari zirin tarlan to angin Reverend Rosang Colony Reverend Biak sang zwala Reverend Vanel Felaramtiam Reverend K Satin Vela Reverend Arlal Tankima Reverend P Chungale Evangelist Chimtuipui ten zirtirna an pechin don ani OTS kumsa khazakwa somkwa pariata tangkhan bultanin mi enge mozaten an lozir chuak to a Bial to pastor le rawngbawlna akalpo anom to baka district danga tangin he OTS a hian zirlai anom thin ani kumina hian OTS a first year som second year som baka third year paruk anom mek ani Meni somni panga atanga June ni pathiani zan thengkhan Hnahlan Bial PYD buatsaihin Vaparah Revioval Crusade buatsai ani he huna han speaker a evangelist Lalbiakwana district revival speaker chuman ni in unaw nu monte team member baka unaw nu mangai kimile unaw nu mangai tharzelin Hnahlan Bial PYD te hne na tringin pathian fakna hlangai thak chin ni in PYD joint action team 10 action song an entir thin bok Speaker hi team member chanhem takin troi omin pathian tharau thiang hlim ompuina hnuai alim takin hun an hmang June ni pathiani tai khan thuthlung puan chuana molin khom hlotling takin an nei bok ani crusade nei chung hian tharau thiang hlim dong thar mi som pakhat an om Aizawl East District Bazar Kausian buatsaihin me ni somni pariata tanga June ni khat chung khan camping buatsai ani camp hi me ni somni paria thole jan khan lutin jun ni khat Inrinni khan an chuak Speaker Evangelist Arvan chunga District Full-Time Evangelist chuman ni in campers mi somni paruk an lut ani camping nei chung hian swangai damna baptisma mi pathum chuan changin tharau thiang hlim dong thar mi pali ba ka chiam thar le na chang mi som pakhat an om ani camp chong ni na junili thole zana changa Inrinni thleng khan an nei le a pathiani zan thleng follow program man chun zom ani ang Juniriat Inrinni khan unaw nu laram le ani sai lo ti chung kwa zemo bok veng pui Kohhran te chuan pathian ne na lom thu soi choi moina nein Kohhran hauten lim takin hun an hmang choi moina program hi jun ni sari zirtop jana chang khan man ni in Speaker Reverend Rosang Kolni District Superintendent an roya Juniriat Inrinni vekhian upalal felki mate chung kwa Bethlehem Kohhran te chuan pathian choi moina nein Kohhran ten lim takin hun an hmang bok ani Ole khatizung khatun tuma North East India UPC Kohhran rongbawlna chanchin thar kan thlir ngai thla khole theite ani e